She's Gone, isa sa pinakapopular na kantahin pagdating sa karaoke o videoke. Pinag-aagawan pa yan ng iba, pero itong version na to ang isa sa pinakamagandang narinig ko sa larangan ng pag-awit. So, panoorin natin to, guys.
She's gone.
Karaoke, PH.
I was wrong. I'm to blame. I was so untrue.
Ganda ng boses.
I can live without love. In my life, there's just an empty space. All my dreams are lost. I'm wasting away.
Bangis. Ang galing, guys.
Forgive me, girl. Lady, won't you save me?
Grabe yun.
My heart belongs to you. Lady, can you forgive me for all I've done to you? Lady, oh lady.
Hindi malang halos mahirapan, no?
She's gone out of my life. Oh, she's gone. I find it so hard to go on. I really miss that girl, my love. Come back into my arms. I'm so alone. I'm begging you. I'm down on my knees. Forgive me, girl.
Eto na. Galing talaga.
You save me. My heart belongs to you. Lady, can you forgive me for all I've done to you? Lady, oh lady, oh lady.
Woo! Grabe. Di malang nahirapan sa taas na yun. Halos hindi malang nahirapan. Pero kayang-kaya, guys.
Lady, won't you save me? My heart belongs to you. Lady, can you forgive me for all I've done to you?
Ganda ng boses. Grabe, palakpakan na tao. So So yun guys, pang international ang galing ni ate, no? So kung nagustuhan pa ninyo ang kanyang performance, huwag natin kalimutang i-like and i-share ang video na ito para makilala naman ang ating mga local singer. So salamat guys!